Overwise series, and I'm back with another video. Alright, so in this video, it's about that time to like turn it up another level. What I mean by turn it up for another level, I mean time to put that Pioneer in. I got the big boy. 750 watt.
We're all gonna die! Barry! Snap the fuck out of it and run!
Go ahead, open the box and see what it looks like. Wires. Look at this. What the? Wait. Man, these people give me some earphones. It says Sony. And you know I got an iPhone. You know this ain't gonna fit.
Oh my god, she's so pretty!
Good. Yeah, nigga. Look at it. It's so. I think this one right here is power, and this one is the negative. Plus it tells you, so if it's black and white, that's power. If it's all the way black, that's negative. But let's get started out.
I know who's a fuck. I know what you want. I know, well not for long. I know, girl this your song. I know, turn them all night long. I know, I know. Ain't shit changed. I know, that money ain't a thing. I know, still just switching 4 lanes. I know that this don't mean a thing. I know, not blind from the fame. I know.
Well, y'all, this is the end of the video. The speakers sound amazing and sound really loud and got good bass. And I want to tell y'all something. Y'all should go check out my TikTok and my new Instagram for ZJ So Serious. And this is the end of the video. So like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. You do what you do.
Was not here. This world is cruel. It's never fair. Got your bitch on a leash. Yeah. Eat up all my treats. Yeah. Yes, you know me. Whoa. Mr. Do It All. Ball till I fall. Watch the phone ring while she call. No, don't shop at the mall. Cross her over like Jamal. Yeah.